Okay, in this video I'm going to briefly touch on the different parts of a common air compressor that we use to run several of the SawTek saws. The specific compressor that you have at your location may be slightly different, but they all will have a filter. You're going to want to take these filters off and clean them periodically, especially if you have your compressor located in a place where there's a lot of sawdust buildup. So you're going to take those housings off of there. This compressor has two on it, and just blow that out with your air nozzle from your compressor. Get all the dust out of there and reinstall those. You want to keep that done relatively regularly, and that's going to keep the motor from burning up, from getting too much particles inside the motor. While we're at the air compressor, we're going to take a look at a couple of other things. I'm snugging this up here. We're going to look at the oil, and we're also going to look at the spitter. There's a window on the front of each one of these units that will have a clear glass area where you can see the oil and what it looks like inside there. Most compressors require oil to run, and if it runs out of oil or if it needs changed, it can cause the compressor to fail. This window is right here on the front. You can see it right down here at the bottom. I'm pointing at it now. Where that's the adequate level, and this is a new compressor. We just filled it up. You can see the gauge there, the operating pressure. That's the motor that I have my hand on there. And we're going to look down here at the bottom at the automatic spitter. This machine has a spitter set up to discharge the moisture from the compressor every so many minutes, and that's very important that that function properly, because too much moisture built up in the air system will cause the system to fail and corrode, and we just don't want that.